Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Shams and you are watching Bez Rules. In today's video will be the fourth episode of Learning Tunisian Vocabulary. Today's topic will be really very important topic. Of course, what can be more important than kitchenware? Without further ado, let's jump direct into the video. But before that, kindly help us with hitting the like button, and if you haven't done yet, kindly consider subscribing. Let's go direct into the video. If you know Tunisian boy, what can be more important than the kitchen and kitchenware and this stuff? The first word in our today's lesson will be sahfa. Sahfa in Tunisian means bowl. Bowl? Is that how you pronounce it? Bowl. Okay, let's give one example. Bring me a bowl of soup. جيب لي صحفة شوربة. The second word in our today's video will be shan. Shan means plate. Even our Bosnian audience will understand what that means. Sahan or shan. Let's give one fast example. الصحن اتكسر. Hopefully not, but it means the plate is broken. الصحن اتكسر. The plate is broken. Let's go ahead and let me verify my list. The next word will be مغرفة. مغرفة means spoon. Okay. Let's give one example. جيب لي مغرفة كبيرة. Bring me a big spoon, because he won't eat so much. That's why he's asking for a big spoon. Okay, the next word will be farshita. Farshita in Tunisian, it's I think very close to the French word fourchette. Farshita in Tunisian means fork. Let's give one example also here. جيب معاك فرشيطة للسلطة. جيب معاك فرشيطة للسلطة. Bring with you one fork for the salad. Bring with you one fork for the salad. Okay, let's go ahead. Very close to that. The next word will be sakina. Sakina in Tunisian means knife. If you catch him with one girl, you can tell him, I don't know. Forget about that. Don't cut me on that. Knife, sakina. جيب لي سكينة باش نقص الخبز. Bring me a knife to cut the bread. Okay, let's go ahead and try to make it faster. The next word will be cup. The next word will be كاس. كاس in Tunisian means cup. Okay, fast example here. جيب لي كاس ماء. Bring me one cup of water. جيب لي كاس ماء. Not very far from that, we use also the word finjan. Finjan, what it means? It means the cup that you drink coffee in, or you drink tea. Generally it's smaller. I think it means mug, but don't count me on that. Maybe it's not. So the most close word I think in English is mug. Let's give first example. جيب لي فنجان قهوة. Bring me a mug of coffee, probably mug. The next word will be dabouza. Dabouza in Tunisian mean bottle. Let's give one example. إيش بيه دبوزة محلولة. Why the bottle is open. It's very often that you will hear this word. Maybe in the summer you open to drink on water and then you left it open. The next word is zizwa. Zizwa in Tunisian means the thing that you make coffee on. I'm not sure if that means tas. I think tas. I'm not sure if anyway, I'm not pretty sure what that translates to English. If I can't find it, I will put it on the screen. If not, I will put the photo, but you know what I mean. Tas is the thing that you make coffee in. The next word will be tanjera. Will be tanjera. Tanjera in Tunisian means pot. I think, yeah, po. Hopefully I pronounce it properly. I'm sorry about my English again. The next word is pan. Pan in Tunisian means مقلة. Let's give one example for this word. المقلة معبية بالزيت. The pan is full. The pan is full of oil. It's a very stupid example, but at least it will make you understand the meaning of the word. Okay, let me check my list. Pan. Okay. There is another word which I don't know also the translation, but you probably, if you are dating one Tunisian boy or girl, you probably need to know what this thing. It's called maqfool. Maqfool is the thing that you prepare couscous in. I honestly couldn't find any translation. If you know, let me know in the comment section down below. Let's move forward, and the next word is gas. Gas in Tunisian, not that thing that everybody wants these days. Gas in Tunisian means cook, where you prepare your food. Let's give one example. الغاز قعد محلول. The cook stayed open. I know I'm giving a very stupid examples. I know. Okay, the next word will be four or kusha. Four or kusha in Tunisian means what it means? Means oven. Let's give one example here very fast. برا شعل الفور. Please switch on the oven. The next word in Tunisian is micro-ondes. Micro-ondes is obviously, as probably you understand it, is the microwave. We use the same French word. Another French word that we use also is the lave-vaisselle, which is the dishwasher. Lave-vaisselle. We don't have any other word for. Okay, let's move forward, and the next word is Frigidaire. Frigidaire in Tunisian is obviously, as you probably guessed it, is fridge. Let's give an example. شبيك خليت الفريجيدير محلولة. Why you kept the fridge open? Okay, the last word in our today's episode is frigo. Frigo in Tunisian means freezer. Okay, hopefully I covered all the words related to kitchenware. If I haven't or I missed some word, kindly let us know in the comment section down below. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. And if you haven't done yet, please hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video and you would like to see more of this type of videos, please also kindly hit the like button and give us a nice comment. This will not cost you anything, but it will help us really a lot. Okay, thank you for watching and hope to catch you in the next episode. Goodbye.